Let's solve. October-November 2025. Computer Science Past Paper. With Rabia. Question 5. A supermarket wants to start delivering groceries to local elderly people, using robots. Describe the characteristics of a robot. A robot is a mechanical structure containing electrical components, such as sensors, a microprocessor and actuators. It is programmable and is able to move. Explain one benefit to the supermarket of using robots to deliver groceries to elderly customers. The supermarket may gain more customers because elderly people who could not previously travel to the store can now order groceries for delivery. This could increase the supermarket's sales and profits. The supermarket can serve customers more efficiently because robots can deliver multiple orders at the same time, allowing more customers to be served. Explain one drawback to the elderly customers of robots being used to deliver their groceries. Elderly customers may get less exercise because they no longer need to walk to or around the store to get their groceries. This could negatively affect their health. Some elderly customers may struggle to use or may mistrust the technology and prefer a person to deliver their groceries. This may cause additional stress or anxiety, which could lead to mistakes when receiving the delivery. Each robot has a media access control address. Tick one box to show the correct statement about a MAC address. The robots have artificial intelligence. Give 3 ways the robots could make use of AI. 1. The robot could learn the route to a customer's house. 2. The robot could learn where obstacles are on the route and learn how to deal with them more effectively. 3. The robot could use AI to identify patterns in route data, such as determining which parts of the route are paths and which are roads. A computer with a von Neumann architecture has a central processing unit. Complete the statements about the operation of the CPU. The program counter stores the address of the next instruction to be processed. This address is then sent to the memory address register. This address is the location in RAM where the instruction can be found. The instruction is retrieved from RAM and immediately stored in the memory data register. The instruction is then sent to the current instruction register where it is decoded by the control unit. The instruction is decoded using an instruction set. Handling interrupts is one function of an operating system. An interrupt is sent to the CPU every time a key is pressed on the keyboard. Give the name of this type of interrupt. Hardware interrupt. Give the name of the program that services the interrupt. Interrupt handler or interrupt service routine. Give one other function of an operating system. Any one from managing files, providing an interface, managing peripherals and drivers, managing memory, managing multitasking, providing system security, managing user accounts. A theater has a microphone on stage that is connected by cables to several speakers around the theater. A person speaks into the microphone and their voice is output from the speakers. Identify the most appropriate data transmission method for this purpose. Explain your choice. 1 mark for each correct data transmission method. Serial, simplex. Any 3 from serial data will need to travel long distances. 1 wire is used. Bits are sent in order. Sent 1 bit at a time, less chance of data being skewed. Less chance of error, transmission speed would be adequate. Simplex. Data only needs to be sent in one direction. Data does not need to be sent back from the speakers to the microphone.